Howdy y'all! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade Alfredo sauce. Now I know you might think, Alfredo sauce? That's easy. But let me clarify something for you. It's not about just mixing the ingredients together. It's about doing it with passion and patience. It's a simple recipe, yes, but it requires an amount of dedication that can't be underestimated. This process we are going to embark on is slightly time-consuming, but entirely worth it. Remember, the magic is in the details and the quality of ingredients, so don't try to rush it. The nature of cooking is such that it requires your full attention and your love for the art. It's about turning simple ingredients into something extraordinary. And in this case, we are going to transform butter, cream, garlic, parmesan, salt, and pepper into a creamy, dreamy Alfredo sauce. So, grab your apron, put your game face on, and let's embark on this culinary journey together. Let me assure you, at the end of this journey, you'll have mastered a classic Italian recipe that you can proudly serve to your family and friends. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need some butter, heavy cream, garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. It's essential to make sure that everything you use is fresh and high in quality. Check the dates and the smell, and if possible, use locally sourced ingredients. A good chef knows that the quality of your dish heavily depends on the quality of your ingredients. By dedicating time and effort into selecting the best, you are laying the groundwork for a sauce that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your soul. So, are we ready? Let's dive into this exciting culinary adventure. Make sure everything is fresh and ready to go. Now let's start cooking. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once it's melted, add in the minced garlic and sauté it until it becomes fragrant. Oh, that smell is just heavenly. Next, pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. You want it to be hot, but not boiling. Stir it occasionally to prevent any scorching. Once the cream is heated through, it's time to add in the star of the show, the Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle it in gradually, stirring constantly to ensure it melts smoothly into the sauce. Keep stirring until the sauce becomes thick and creamy. Oh, it's going to be so rich and velvety. Now, season the sauce with some salt and pepper to taste. Be careful not to overdo it. You can always add more later if needed. Give it a good stir and taste it. Perfection. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. This will allow the sauce to thicken up even more. And there you have it, homemade Alfredo sauce that's to die for. Serve it over your favorite pasta, like fettuccine or linguine, and garnish with some fresh parsley or grated Parmesan cheese. Oh, it's going to be a flavor explosion in your mouth. So take your time with this recipe, my friends. The result will be worth it, I promise. Enjoy your homemade Alfredo sauce and happy cooking. Y'all come back now, you hear?